To factory reset your computer, you need to hold Option for about 20 seconds. And then let's go when you see the screen showing you your main hard drive and your recovery partition. Click on the recovery and don't turn your computer off, just wait. It's charging the software. Once it's done, choose disk utility and then continue. It will look for all the hard drives on your computer. Okay, so I will select my hard drive partition and go to erase. Then choose the button erase and confirm with another time erase. Wait until it's finished. And once it's done, we need to close this window and go up to reinstall OS X and click continue. Make sure your internet is connected and click on continue and then continue. It's contacting the Apple servers to make sure you have a legit computer, then agree, then another agree. Choose your partition that you want to install your OS X Yosemite and then click on install. It will ask you for your Apple ID. You should type in your Apple ID. And then your password. And then sign in when you're done. From now on, the computer will take care of all of the installation. Downloading the file can take very long, so just don't turn your computer off or your internet. Okay, now that it's done, you choose your country and language. And then if you have any backup, I don't have a backup, so I just continue. Enter your Apple ID and agree to the terms. And then enter all your information and you're set. Once setting up your Mac with your information is done, we'll get to the screen here. Alright, mission accomplished. Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. See you in the next one.